to do with your own body weight. I don't lift a lot of weights because I don't want to be muscular. I want to be fit and I want to have a toned body without those cuts, because I wish to achieve a body which looks very feminine and toned at the same time. So I swim or I jog, either one of the two, or then post that I'll have my nariyal pani or whatever, something to drink, and then I'll have soup, a big bowl of soup with no breadsticks. And for dinner I'll have carb, because that's my last portion of carb. And if I don't do carbs, initially when I started losing weight, I stopped consuming carbs in the night post 6 o'clock, because I had to reach a target weight. Now since I'm 51 kgs now, I started when I was 63 kgs, and it's generally not about the kgs, it's generally about your fat percentage. But yes, weight is also important. You will lose weight eventually, but inches also matter. So it's basically your body fat percentage, which is like really taken into consideration with new technology coming in. So yes, in the night again, it's one bowl of rice with veggies and dal. Or if I go out for dinner, I do a lot of dinners outside because I love dinners. I'm not a really party person. I love going out for dinners. So if I go out for dinners, even if I have a pizza, I'll only have 2 slices of pizza, but the thin crust ones. And if I'll do salads, I'll have a big bowl of salad. I'm vegetarian, and I eat eggs, that's it. And I'm on my way to becoming a vegan because the kind of eating patterns I have, they're almost veganish, but not there exactly. And then even if I go out, I'll only eat rice. This is a myth I'd like to break to you all. You do not put on weight with rice. I eat rice every day, I eat bread every day, I eat white bread, I eat everything. I eat cheese, I eat dessert, I eat samosas, I eat everything. I have 2 big cheat meals in the week in which I have a bowl full of carb with cheese. It's just your portion sizes, and it's basically, you have to feed your body, you don't have to feed your mind. The biggest mistake what we do is we feed our mind. We eat things because they make us feel good. So the minute you control your mind in that aspect and you say that you're not going to feed your mind, you're going to feed your body, and your body just needs that much nutrition, trust me, you're going to be in a really fit space. It depends on my work schedule and it depends on my sleeping patterns. My last meal is generally at 8:30, 9ish, but at times I'm up till 3 o'clock in the night or 2:33 minimum. So I have probably walnuts, or I'll have a banana also. Now I do have a banana. Or I'll have I basically just eat everything now, honestly. It's just the portion size which has to be limited. I eat everything. I'm blessed now. I'm an early riser. I love mornings. I love sunrise. Whenever she asked me to eat just a small cup of muesli with some nuts in the morning, I was like, are you sure you want me to eat that little? She was like, that's not little, that's exactly the amount of proportion of food your body requires. So yeah, I'm not that blessed. First thing I do once I wake up is have a hot glass of water with lime and cinnamon. That's the first thing I put in my mouth, and a big bottle of water. So yes, that's something I do. It's good for cleansing there's a lot of acid development in your stomach since you are hungry for like a period of at least 8 hours, if nothing less than that or more than that. So yeah, it helps you to get rid of all the acids in your body. So after my morning ritual is done, what I eat for breakfast is probably sprouts with 1 toast, or I'll have muesli with my seeds with yogurt. Since I was a little allergic to milk, I didn't really consume a lot of it. Now my system has kind of become a little tolerant towards it because it was due to lack of health. I couldn't consume milk and milk products. But now yes, yogurt works for me fabulously with some berries. Then after 45 minutes of my breakfast, I'll have my big cup of black coffee, because that's my only vice. I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't do any form of intoxication, but coffee is something I'm addicted to. I don't wake up till I don't have my big cup of black coffee. Then after that I'll have, after 15 minutes of my big cup of black coffee, I'll have a small shot of black coffee. Yeah, it's kind of stupid, but still I do that. And then post that, it's lunch. For lunch, I'll either have, it's basically all Indian food because it's a Punjabi household and my mother refuses to change the eating patterns of the house just because of one person who exists in this house who's an actor. So I have asked my nutritionist to plan my meal in a manner which is easily available in my kitchen. So it's a lot of veggies with dal and one roti, or I'll have, I don't mix carbs. It's either roti or it's either rice or it's either jawar or whatever. And you never mix carbs. And the most important tip would be to have controlled portion sizes. So yes, and there's salad, and then with my meal I'll have 1 glass of buttermilk. Then after lunch, it's around 4:35ish. I'll have black tea. I'm all about black teas, black coffees with no sugar. I don't eat sugar. If I have to have something sweet, I'll probably have a fruit. If I feel really hungry, I'll binge on nuts. And the maximum I binge on is kurmura, and what else? Fruits, yes, fruits are my thing. And then at 7, then I go for my swim if I have time. I either swim or I run. I used to work out a lot initially. I was into plyometrics and a lot of what do you call it? Everything which had
eggs post-workout. Actually, when you start dieting, I think it should be in a way of your lifestyle. There shouldn't be a cheat day. But you know me, I'm a sweet tooth. I crave for dessert like every single day. Do not ask me how many times I cheat. Or yeah, don't ask me such personal questions. It's extremely personal. So beat this, okay? I am a vegetarian and I just realized that I'm allergic to a couple of vegetables, which is tomatoes, potatoes, cucumber, capsicum and all of that. And my friends are like, what else is there for you to eat? Which is actually a good point. I mean, I was in Italy recently and you know they have pizzas and everything and tomato sauce, of course. So I'm like, I can't have tomato and potato, and they're like, there's nothing for you to eat. Please eat desserts. And I survived on desserts the whole time. Sad story. Yes, hashtag sad story. I work out every day, but I don't know, like now I think because of the weather or something it's getting me really lazy, but my friends are like, chalo, let's go work out and everything, so I'm headed to work out right after this. Healthy munches. Oh, recently found sweet potato fry. I'm allergic to potato, but I'm like, sweet potato. With cinnamon maybe. Yeah, with cinnamon. Oh, such good stuff. Alcoholic. I have no idea. Someone's got to tell me this. What is it? Wine? Wine is healthy, right? Yeah, wine is good for your heart and skin and everything. Yeah. But it has too much sugar, so I'm not sure. I don't know. Sweet, dessert, sweet, fat, cream, all of that. That's my cheat meal. For my skin, not really, man. Like I wake up, wash my face, put on moisturizer, sunscreen. Yes, sunscreen every day before you step out. Vitamin C, I'm a vitamin C person, so that, and yeah, that's about it. I used to be such a good kid where I used to go to sleep early and wake up early in the day, but looks like it's changed quite a bit where I sleep late and wake up late in the morning.